The Greenzie Autonomous Mowing system consists of ruggedized components, most assembled at the factory and fully ready to go, so there isn't much additional maintenance required. Now, we won't be covering the standard maintenance topics such as blade changes, oil filters, or charging of the main drive system. For that, please refer to the manual and mower guides for a standard mower and the standard engine or electric drive system as directed by your dealer and the OEM. Now, the most important thing for the Greenzie Autonomous Mowing system is to make sure that the system is charged, including the remote control. Always turn off the remote, store it, and charge it using the included charge cable. Don't leave the key on, just like you would a car, to let the battery drain. Turn it off when not using, and the system will turn on and off automatically. The cameras shouldn't need anything. Standard cleaning should work, but regular wipe downs for dust and a light rain repellent such as Rain-X is recommended to apply regularly. If the mower is ever pressed down hard on straps, jostled extremely hard, or other things, it may need its encoders realigned. Greenzie technicians and your dealer will notify you, so this shouldn't be a regular occurrence. There is no additional need to change or swap any of the components for the robotic sensors. If you have any questions, reach out to your dealer directly.